Hi Achievers, welcome to A+ Russian. Today we are learning adjectives orange and white. We'll use them with the noun pumpkin. When it's fall outside, I like baking pumpkin pie. Do you bake anything with pumpkin? Let me know in the comments below. A pumpkin is tykva in Russian. Tykva. Tykva. Let's spell the word tykva. The first sound is t, then we have y. Try saying e while pushing the tongue to the back of your mouth. Y. Then goes k, v, and a. And all together it's tykva, which is Russian for pumpkin. Try saying it with me. Tykva. An orange pumpkin is оранжевая тыква. The ending aya at the end of оранжевая goes along with the feminine noun, which in our case is тыква. Let's spell the word оранжевая. The first letter is O, and it's unstressed and is pronounced as A. Then goes R, A, N, Ž, Е, V, A, and ya at the end. And all together it's оранжевая. Оранжевая. Try saying it with me. Оранжевая. A white pumpkin is белая тыква in Russian. Тыква is feminine, so we use белая with aya at the end. Let's spell the word белая. The first sound is b, then goes ye, l, a, and ya at the end. And all together it's белая. Белая, which is Russian for white. A reminder that in Russian we change the ending of adjectives depending on the noun's gender. So far you've learned how to say an orange pumpkin, оранжевая тыква, and a white pumpkin, белая тыква. Do you remember what is Russian for an orange pumpkin? Оранжевая тыква, excellent. What about white pumpkin? Белая тыква, well done. Now let's play a memory game. Each word is repeated twice. I'm going to read the words and then cover them up. Try to remember where the words are and say them out loud with me. Are you ready, Achievers? Let's go! Тыква is pumpkin, оранжевая is orange, белая is white. Тыква, тыква, оранжевая, оранжевая, белая, белая. Тыква. Do you know where the other тыква is? Excellent. Оранжевая. Do you remember where the other оранжевая is? Well done. Белая. Белая. Well done, Achievers. Now you know how to describe a pumpkin in Russian. An orange pumpkin is оранжевая тыква, and a white pumpkin is белая тыква. Where тыква is pumpkin, оранжевая is orange, and белая is white. And here is your bonus tip. Inside every pumpkin there are hundreds of pumpkin seeds, or тыквенные семечки. Тыквенные семечки. You can roast them and eat later on. If you enjoyed our lesson, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in another video about food or anything else you like on A+ Russian.